Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic. This is not. Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 2.5 triple display monitor that this band sent to me for the video. They comes with so many good features that I'm gonna show you in a close-up in a few seconds how it works for sure. But the bottom line is that if you need a reliable big monitor, because this is a 14 inches display, each one of these ones, 2.5K resolution. That actually blew my mind a little bit, because putting 2.5K resolution in a triple display is actually not something that you see every day. And also it has an IPS panel, it has a high contrast, 12,000, actually a 1200 in one, and also a really nice dynamic range that you're gonna need for when you're working for long periods of time, or editing, or even gaming if you need. I mean, I don't know if people games in triple display monitors, but if you want, you can do it as well. Comes with every single cable that you're gonna need: the USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C-A, and also HDMI to mini HDMI. So also with the instructions over here, give it a read. I mean, it's not too complicated, but just give it a read. And of course, something that I really like that comes with its own right here bag and the strap to put it in your shoulder. So that's actually pretty nice. The other thing about this one is also comes with a stand. So you can see that this one comes with a stand. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the other thing that blew my mind is that this one, it is flippable. You can actually flip the screens, as you can see over here. So that's actually quite fantastic as well. And this one goes from laptops up to 13 to 17 inches. So we're going to try it right now, and we're going to see how that goes. So two pretty cool things that I want to show you first. This is the stand that you can see that you can put it right back here, and then you can extend it and even extend it more if you need. So that's actually quite good. And then you can see that you can actually remove the displays if you need. It comes with a locking feature over there. So you slide them in, lock it in, and you should be all set. Let me actually push this one just a little bit more over there. And then also you can remove the displays if you need. So you're gonna see that this is the locking mechanism. So you can actually remove the displays if you only need one. And remember, these are totally flippable. So you can actually see this on your side, and you can showcase these to co-workers or another person just on the other side of the table. So once that you have it connected, you can see how easy this is. And of course, you can just flip it. You can open it up more if you need. You can close it more. You can just flip it to the other side if you also need. But one thing that I will mention is that I wish that the ports on these monitors are kind of like on the inside, not on the outside, because you can see that it doesn't look like super good to have those cables going on the outside of the monitor. So it could be really good if they were on the inside, kind of like behind of the monitors, or just in a secluded zone or something like that. Otherwise, these are really good, as I was just saying before, really good quality on the resolution. But remember that you will need multiple ports on your computer. For example, this one, I have this one on the lightning port, the lightning bolt port also, and the other one on the HDMI. So take that into account, that you will need that one, and also a way to put power on these monitors, because this one is connected with a USB-C to the USB-C, so it's auto-powered, but the other one is connected with the HDMI and with the USB-C to USB-A on my computer, which is feeding for some power. So that's actually quite good, I have to say. But remember, the cables are gonna be in plain sight on the outside of the monitor. So I have to say that this could be the ultimate display for both productivity or just like working from home, or just taking with you to the office. I think these are great, really good resolution, like great resolution. I'm so surprised about that. And the flippable feature, and also the IPS panel as well, the high contrast, and of course the carry-on case, as well as the stand and the multiple ports. I like this one. I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.